Hey everybody, it's Dan Jurek. I'm glad to have a few minutes to tell you about my Creating Connection Marriage Workshop that's coming up on June 10th and 11th of 2022. It'll be held at the Homewood Suites here in Lafayette. It's on Kaliste, Saloom. It's a really wonderful facility. Um, but this workshop is really a culmination of my almost 30, 35 years of working on my own marriage, being a marriage and family therapist, running marriage retreats, and it promises to be a really good, rewarding 2 days for you and your spouse. The 2 day retreat gives couples an incredible jumpstart working on their marriage in the areas of healthy and effective communication, discovering the connection pattern of each couple, being able to learn strategies and skills to break through and have difficult conversations, and really to grow into a deeper connection of intimacy and love. This 2 day workshop is really the best of the best that I can offer. It gives me really 12 to 13 hours with you and about 9 other couples to really take a deep dive into your relationship and give you the momentum, the skills, the strategies, the tools you need to make a good marriage even better, a struggling marriage good, and a marriage that's really struggling to have it come back into the fold. This is a 2 hour thing. It's from 8:30 to 5 o'clock on Friday and Saturday, June 10th and 11th. I've got a banner here to kind of show you. Um, it's going to be at the Homewood Suites in Lafayette. If you'd like to get more information about it, you can call the number here listed, 337-993-1960, or email me personally, dan@paxrenewalcenter.com, and tell me you want to be a part of it. I'm not holding any punches. If you were to see me for 14 hours, 12 to 14 hours, you would be paying somewhere in the neighborhood of $2,200 of individual counseling fees. The cost for this 2 days, 12 hours with me and my staff, is $850 a couple. It's an incredible investment to take your marriage to the next level. Again, I'm going to pull from all the stuff that I've studied over the many, many years from Dr. James Dobson and Dr. Gary Smalley to I'm going blank. Why? Dr. John Gottman and his 40 years of research. Dr. Sue Johnson, emotionally focused couples therapy. Harville Hendricks and imago therapy. Dr. Bill Doherty, Michelle Winter Davis. I'm pulling the best of the best that I can, and it's really become a wonderful and powerful workshop. The unique thing about this workshop is that we'll start as a group, but then 7 or 8 times in the 2 days, you are going to be sent off on your own into the wonderful lodge that they have at the Homewood Suites, just you and your spouse. And you're going to be able to work through and practice right there on site the strategies, the skills, and have the discussions that we want you to have to move your marriage forward. And if that's not good enough, then there will be team members from the Pax Renewal Center, along with myself, that will be going around to all of you and checking in to see how you're doing. Do you need help with the skill? What's going on? And you're going to get the support you need. And at the very end of the 2 days, we'll tell you ways in which we will continue that support and offer you more opportunities to grow your marriage. So right now, I don't want to take up much more of your time. I really appreciate you just listening to this. It's the Creating Connection Marriage Retreat and Workshop. It's going to be on June 10th and 11th at the Homewood Suites here in Lafayette, Louisiana. The cost is $850 a couple. And if you want to register, sign up, or get more information, please give us a call at the office, 337-993-1960. Or you can email me at dan@paxrenewalcenter.com. Man, I really hope that you will take advantage of this. This is Friday and Saturday, June 10th and 11th. There will be a lot of energy. We'll have a lot of fun. You'll grow a lot with your spouse, and you'll learn a lot. And really just want you to be a part of it. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks for listening. And I hope to see you on June 10th and 11th at Creating Connection, the Marriage Workshop.